Hello everybody. Recently we did an installation for one of our hotel customers, the Holiday Inn. They took some of our texturas to display some marketing communications and of course the artwork. I caught up with David Coe of Southwater Events Group, who managed the property, and this is how it went.
It's the clarity of the image. It actually looks like a piece of artwork. Using the artwork that we've got access to, the frame around the artwork, it just looks so professional. So we've been able to advertise anything that we're running promotional wise within the hotel to our guests, Christmas promotions, leisure club prices, any sort of general guest information, updates on our hotel refurbishments. Very positive. The professional image of it is what's amazed them, and their ability to be able to do their promotions to our guests. It's the ease of use, the ability to change your promotions on the go. No matter where you are, you can just click and change your promotion. Super easy. Even training the staff, it takes 5 minutes to show somebody else how to upload digital content, so it's ready to go. You can even program it to upload it. You can show videos, it's got the sound. Yeah, great. I would definitely recommend Textura to other new businesses.
That was David of Southwater Event Group talking about the benefits of the Textura Digital Canvas. If you're a business and you want to know more, get in touch with me now on the details below. I'll catch you then.